Every morning I wake up really early, around 3:15 in the morning. I get ready, I make my way to Boeing, and I sit myself down at my computer to get my team ready for the day. So I look through all the work that happened overnight, talk to the night shift manager because companies like Boeing and big aviation companies never stop running. So we work 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. After I'm done checking in with my night shift counterparts, I make my way down to my crew's crib, is what it's called, which is where all the mechanics sit, have all their tooling, have their computers, and their workbenches to build things. So I kick them off for the day around 5:30 in the morning, tell them what their assignments are, what roadblocks we're going to be facing, and what the plan of the day is. After that, I spend my morning in leadership meetings. So I stand on the floor with a lot of high-level leadership up to vice presidents most days, and we have to talk on a microphone because it's so loud in the factory that everyone is wearing noise-canceling headphones and earplugs, so all our meetings are done with a microphone on the floor. After those status meetings, I spend the day checking in with my crew, following them through their work to make sure that there's nothing I can help with, not a tool I can get them, or a change to the work that I can start with engineering to make their lives easier. I usually go to a couple more meetings on process improvements or ways to improve Boeing's business as a whole. Spend some of my day crawling in and out of airplanes, checking on tools, checking on mechanics, which can get really exciting but also really loud. And then I end my day by talking to my night shift counterpart, telling them where we left off and where his crew needs to pick up, and heading home for the day, usually around 3:30. In the building that I work in, we build the 777 fuselage. The fuselage is the circular tube middle part of an airplane, so the main body that you usually sit in, that all your luggage goes in. So the factory for the 777 bodies is a lot of giant orange robots that move around with swinging arms, and they put together these bright green panels that make up an airplane. So all airplanes, if you didn't know, are green before they get painted because of the corrosion compound that's on them. So it's very colorful in the factory and very loud because most of the time there's mechanics crawling on top of and inside of airplanes to rivet or drill different fasteners to keep the pieces together. After work most days, I hang out with my family at home. I really like to hike and do yoga. Seattle has a ton of things to offer, a lot of really good food, so I do that a lot. I like to explore new restaurants and watch movies and TV with my family.